Hey, wonderful folks, it's your business consultant and business guru, Dayo Adetiloye, back with another exciting session on Dayo Adetiloye Talk. Today, we're diving deep into something that every aspiring entrepreneur should master: how to create a business plan from scratch. Step 1: Executive Summary. Alright, let's kick things off with the executive summary. Think of this as the teaser trailer for your business plan. You want to give a quick overview of your entire plan, including your business's mission, vision, and the goals you're aiming for. Step 2: Business Description. Next up, we've got the business description. This is where you dive into the nitty-gritty of your business. What is it? Why does it exist? What problem does it solve? Don't hold back on the details here. In the business description section of your business plan, you want to paint a clear and vivid picture of what your venture is all about. This is where you introduce your business to potential investors, partners, and anyone else reading your plan. Here are some key components to include. 1. Business name and legal structure. Begin by stating the name of your business and its legal structure, example sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation. Explain why you chose this particular legal structure and how it aligns with your business goals. 2. Business mission statement. Craft a concise and impactful mission statement. This statement should encapsulate the core purpose and values of your business. It answers the fundamental question: why does your business exist? 3. Business vision. Describe your long-term vision for the company. Where do you see the business in the next 3, 5, or 10 years? This provides insight into your aspirations and the direction you plan to take. 4. Business history. If applicable, if your business has a history, provide a brief summary of its evolution. Explain its origins, key milestones, and any significant achievements to date. 5. Business location. Specify the physical location of your business, including the primary address and any additional branches or offices. If your business operates online, describe your virtual presence and the markets you serve. 6. Business industry and market. Provide context about the industry or market your business operates in. Explain the current state of the industry, its growth potential, and any trends or challenges it faces. Highlight why this industry is attractive for your venture. 7. Target audience. Define your target audience or customer base. Be as specific as possible, including demographics, psychographics, and any other relevant characteristics. Understanding your ideal customers is crucial for effective marketing and sales strategies. 8. Unique selling proposition, USP. What sets your business apart from competitors? Describe your unique selling proposition, USP, the unique qualities, features, or benefits that make your products or services stand out in the market. 9. Intellectual property. If applicable, if your business relies on intellectual property like patents, trademarks, or copyrights, briefly explain how these assets are protected and their significance to your business. 10. Business goals and objectives. Outline your short-term and long-term business goals and objectives. What do you hope to achieve in the coming months and years? Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. 11. Legal and regulatory compliance. Mention any legal requirements or industry-specific regulations your business needs to adhere to. Explain how you plan to ensure compliance. 12. Business ownership and key stakeholders. Identify the owners and key stakeholders of the business. If applicable, provide a brief bio of each key team member and their role in the company. 13. Future outlook. Offer a glimpse of the future. What are your growth plans? Are there potential expansion opportunities or new product/service offerings on the horizon? Step 3. Market analysis. Now, let's get analytical with the market analysis. This step is all about understanding your industry and your potential customers. Who are your competitors? What are their strengths and weaknesses? And, most importantly, how will you stand out? Step 4. Organizational structure and management. Time to talk structure and management. What's your company's legal setup? Who's steering this ship? Introduce your management team and let everyone know what they bring to the table. Step 5. Products and services. Now, let's talk about the good stuff, your products and services. Describe them in detail. What makes them special? How do they meet your customers' needs? Make your offerings shine. In the products and services section of your business plan, you aim to offer a comprehensive and compelling description of what you're offering to your target audience. This is your chance to showcase the value your products or services bring to the market. Here's what to include. 1. Product/service description. Begin with a clear and concise description of each product or service you offer. Include the name, features, and specifications. Explain how they work and what problems or needs they address for customers. 2. Unique features and benefits. Highlight the unique features or benefits that set your products or services apart from the competition. This is your unique selling proposition, USP. Emphasize how these aspects provide added value to customers. 3. Product/service development. Describe the process of developing or creating your products or services. If applicable, detail any research, design, manufacturing, or development phases. Explain how you maintain product quality and consistency. 4. Life cycle. If applicable, discuss where your products or services stand in their life cycle. Are they new and innovative, or well established in the market? Explain how you plan to adapt and evolve them as needed. 5. Pricing strategy. Outline your pricing strategy. Explain how you arrived at your pricing structure and how it compares to similar products or services in the market. Discuss any discounts, bundles, or pricing tiers. 6. Sales and distribution channels. Describe how you plan to sell and distribute your products or services. Detail your sales channels, such as e-commerce, retail, or direct sales. Discuss your distribution strategy, including partnerships or agreements with distributors. 7. Customer benefits. Explain how your products or services benefit your target customers. Address specific pain points or needs that your offerings satisfy. Use customer testimonials or case studies if available to illustrate these benefits. 8. Product lifecycle management, PLM if applicable. Discuss how you manage the entire lifecycle of your products, from design and development to manufacturing, marketing, and end-of-life considerations. 9. Intellectual property, if applicable. If your products or services involve intellectual property, such as patents, trademarks, or copyrights, detail how these assets protect your innovations and provide a competitive advantage. 10. Future product/service expansion. Share your vision for future product or service expansion. Are there plans for new offerings or product line extensions? Describe how these additions align with your business strategy. 11. Quality control and assurance. Explain your quality control and assurance processes. Discuss how you maintain consistent product or service quality to meet or exceed customer expectations. 12. Supply chain management, if applicable. If your business involves a supply chain, describe how you manage it efficiently. Discuss sourcing, inventory management, and any plans for supply chain optimization. 13. Regulatory compliance. If your industry has specific regulatory requirements, detail how your products or services meet these standards. Explain your commitment to compliance and any certifications or approvals you've obtained. 14. Production capacity, if applicable. If your business involves manufacturing or production, discuss your production capacity, scalability, and any plans for expansion. Step 6. Marketing and sales strategy. Marketing and sales strategy time. This is where you spill the beans on how you'll reach your customers. Online? Offline? What's your pricing strategy? And how will you actually make those sales? Step 7. Funding request. If you're in need of some cash, here's where you ask for it. How much do you need? What will it be used for? Share your startup costs, working capital needs, and any funding sources you've got lined up. Step 8. Financial projections. And now, we're getting down to the numbers. Financial projections are key. Create a roadmap for your finances over the next few years. Income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, make them shine. Step 9. Appendix A, the appendix. This is where you stash all those extra documents and info that support your plan. Resumes, market research, charts, anything that backs up your grand plan. Step 10. Review and edit. Before you hit that final button, review and edit like a champ. Check for typos, errors, and make sure everything flows logically. Your numbers should line up with your big ideas. Step 11. Seek feedback. It's always wise to get a second pair of eyes on your plan. Share it with mentors, advisors, or even trusted friends. They might just spot something you missed. Step 12. Finalize and implement. Finally, once you've polished it up, finalize your plan. It's not just a document, it's your business's guiding star. Keep it updated and let it lead you to success. There you have it, your comprehensive guide on creating a business plan from scratch, Dayo Adetiloye style. Remember, your business plan isn't just a document, it's your roadmap to success. So, get out there and make those dreams happen. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on more empowering content. Until next time, keep those entrepreneurial fires burning.